Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and this channel is all about simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. In today's video, we are going to be doing something really fun. So we are going to be breaking down how to know what your style is. So I am going to be referencing two of my very favorite books that have been very beneficial to me when navigating my style and just how to decorate my home. And then I also have a list of categories that I wrote down that I think will be a good baseline to start for you if you are someone who is maybe in a slump, or you're wanting to change up things in your home, or maybe you are buying a new home, or you have an apartment and a rental home or something along those lines, and you really just want to change it up, but you can't always paint and remodel and things like that. So hopefully this will help you just to discover what it is that you are looking for and what it is that you enjoy for your space, wherever that is that you call home. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So first we're going to be starting with my two favorite books, like I said. The first one being Cozy White Cottage, the volume 1. It is this book right here. It is written by Liz Marie Galvin. So this is what the front of it looks like. She does have two books. The second version is the seasons version, where she takes you through and literally breaks down each season and just tips on decorating for spring, summer, fall, and winter. But this one is 100 ways to love the feeling of being home. So I do not have a cottage home at all, but I do love the tips in this book. I think this book is very beneficial no matter what your style is, because we all love a cozy home. We all love something that's super relaxing. So this book is super helpful in that department. And then the next book I want to share with you guys is the Homebody book. So I do not have the original cover on this book because I have two toddlers, so it is gone, but I will leave a picture here of what it actually looks like with the cover on. But this is the Homebody book by Joanna Gaines. This is probably my all-time favorite because at the very beginning of this book, she has 6 core decor styles and breaks them down to the definition of what they are and also key descriptors. And my favorite thing about that part of the book is the key descriptors, because if you are someone who likes to read home interior books or you search on Pinterest, I feel like everyone loves Pinterest. You might not know what exactly it is to search, but you know what it is you're looking for, if that makes sense. Like, I know for me in my home, I really love the earth tones and raw elements and things like that. But if I just search just something very basic as far as living room inspiration or something along those lines, it seems like all it is that's popping up is the styles that are trending right now, which would be like farmhouse, modern farmhouse, or like mid-century modern, and that's not necessarily my style. So I wanted to introduce this book to you guys if you don't have it already, and just talk about some of those styles that she has in here and the descriptors, because like I said, the descriptor part is super helpful when it comes to searching whatever it is your style is. We're gonna go ahead and just dive right into it. So I have the book right here in my lap, so I will be looking down, but the 6 categories that she has are farmhouse, modern, rustic, industrial, traditional, and boho. So just to give you guys an idea, I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the boho one right now. So this is what it looks like. She has traditional on this side and boho on this side. And this is what I'm talking about when she has the definition and then the key descriptors at the bottom. So if you like the boho style, we'll just start there. Then you can look up like boho vintage, eclectic, layered, whimsical, colorful, traveled, textured, and so on. Or maybe you are someone who likes farmhouse and modern, and this is what you can be looking at. So there's different key terms on there. I know in the farmhouse, there's like gathered, organic, shiplap, of course, simple lines, aged, cottage. Under modern, it has mid-century, contemporary, retro, open concept, Scandinavian, things along those lines. I find this book, like I said, very beneficial when it comes to searching and just kind of discovering what it is that you enjoy. And you can also mix and match these things, which I think is super fun, because whenever you're decorating your home, it is totally preference on what you like and what you enjoy. You can mix and match all these different things. I know until I read this book, I didn't really pinpoint what exactly it was. But as it turns out, we have a mixture of boho, farmhouse, rustic, and traditional. So this book is just super fun to read and just go through, and like I said, very beneficial when it comes to searching either books or on Pinterest or Instagram accounts that you might enjoy and things along those lines. Okay, so now we are going to be jumping right into the list of things that I think will be beneficial to you when you are starting at a baseline and just kind of discovering what it is that you're wanting to do in your space. The first one we are going to be talking about are color schemes. When it comes to your home, what color schemes are you attracted to? Do you enjoy the moody, more, darker tones? Do you enjoy light and bright and airy? Or maybe you have a very colorful palette and you like all of the fun patterns and things along those lines. But thinking about your color scheme and just brainstorming what it is that you want to see in your home and that makes you feel very relaxed and comfortable is most important. I know it seems like a lot of people tend to just stick with whatever is trending, and that is totally fine if that is something that you enjoy. But maybe it's something you don't enjoy and you are not into whatever is trending, but you enjoy something else. That is okay too. You need to make your home comfortable for you. Remember, you are the one who lives there. You and your family are the one who are there every single day. You need to be comfortable and you need to enjoy that space. So make it fitting for you and your family. The next topic we are going to be talking about is decor and furniture. There are obviously all different styles of decor and furniture that you can choose for your home, but you need to brainstorm and decide what it is that you are drawn to the most. Do you enjoy more of a clean, fresh palette with a less is more basis, or do you enjoy a very gathered kind of vignette settings everywhere in your home and just more plush furniture, or maybe you enjoy more dainty furniture and things like that? You kind of just need to brainstorm and decide what it is that you enjoy. So if you use this homebody book to break down what it is that you are searching for and discover in this book what it is that you enjoy most or what it is that you are attracted to, then you will be able to search those things either on Pinterest or, like I said, on Instagram or anything along those lines, and it will be very helpful to you in seeing different styles of homes and what you enjoy the most. Whenever I discovered this book, like I said, we are very much boho, farmhouse, rustic, and traditional, because I do love the timeless pieces. This chair right here is more of a timeless piece. I would not consider this boho or rustic or anything like that, but it is a timeless piece, which would lean more toward the traditional aspect of things. So just have fun with that and just discover what it is that you enjoy the most, because that is how you will be able to find different decor pieces and different styles of furniture for your home. Moving on to the next category, we are going to be talking about textures. So this could be textures of all types. This could be texture on your wall. This could be rugs that you are using as accents, or throw pillows, blankets, plants, all of those things. Whenever it comes to texture, you need to decide, do you like wall texture, which would be shiplap, board and batten, paneling, gosh, there's so many. There's all kinds of different things. Or maybe you just like textured walls in general. I know in our home, we have actual like textured walls. I don't know if you guys can tell behind me or not, but that's how they were whenever we moved in. You have that as well. You can just keep it just super simple and do that. Or like I said, you can add the shiplap, you can add the board and batten to add texture. I know for me personally, I do really enjoy wall texture because I don't like a lot on my walls. So having that texture on the wall, it still gives it a little bit of life and just some accent. And or maybe you don't like those elements and you just want picture frames and actual wall decor in general. Just consider those things whenever you are deciding the textures in your home. And then as far as rugs go, there's obviously natural jute rugs, there's like synthetic fiber rugs, there's all different things to choose from. Again, choose whatever you feel is best for you and what you enjoy the most. And same with throw pillows and blankets and things like that. Do you like the very big plush pillows and blankets, or maybe you like more of just the simple, sweet and soft blankets that you can just curl up with as well? There's so many different things to choose from, but like I said, going through this list of choosing your colors, choosing your decor, and then choosing the texture, it'll be very beneficial to you, I think, whenever you are trying to decide what it is that you are wanting to bring into your home. The next category we are going to be talking about are plants. So I am a big believer that bringing anything green into your home will automatically bring life into the space. So whether that be faux plants or real plants, decide, do you enjoy the plants? Do you like the way that they look? There are all different styles. Some of them are more relaxed and realistic. Some of them are more of that boho style. Like, I know I have a lot of snake plants in my home and I love the way that they look. I think they're super cool, but I also know that's not everyone's taste. So you just never know. I know in store right now, there are so many great faux plants out because we are now into spring, and that's what's bringing life to everyone's space, our plants. And we're going to be having gardens soon and things like that. Just really think about what it is that you enjoy and what you are drawn to, because honestly, no matter what the plant is, it's going to look so pretty because it's green, it's bringing life, it's bright, and it's just a really fun way to decorate a home. The next category we are going to be discussing are all about patterns. So again, there are all different types of patterns that you can play with in your home. You can add the texture on the wall if you want, because those are patterns as well when it comes to the board and batten and shiplap or paneling and things like that. Or you can have pattern or solid rugs in your home, same with pillows and throw blankets. There's different things that you can add on your wall as far as mirrors or picture frames or just wall art in general that are all different shapes and sizes. Just consider those things as well whenever you are decorating your home. I know for me personally, there are things that I really enjoy that are in store, and then there's things that I'm just not really attracted to. For example, mirrors. I think that the big round mirrors, I think they're so pretty, but it's just not my style. So I really like arched mirrors and things like that. Just different things that you can think about when it comes to bringing items into your home and just how you want to decorate it. So there is one other thing I do want to mention to you guys. So I do follow Liz Marie Galvin over on Instagram. And like I said, we do have totally different styles, but I still really enjoy all of the things that she shares, especially in her books. So I do have Cozy White Cottage book number 1 that I just shared with you guys in my lap currently, and I'm going to read you her tip number 49, and it is staying in your season. So it is super important to know that we are all going through different things in life. We are all in unique situations, different seasons of life. We might have kids, some of us might not have kids, some of us might be married, some of us might not be. You just never know what's going on. So I just want to read this to you guys because until she read it the other day, it kind of slipped my mind, and it's just nice to kind of get back into that groove and remembering this. So I'm going to go ahead and read it to you guys now. It says, if you get any tip from this book, I hope it's this. We are all in different seasons of life. We are all walking different paths. We all live with different purposes, and we all should focus on making each season of our lives beautiful. When we do, we can move into the next season with grace, look back, and be proud. So what does this have to do with making our homes cozy? A lot. When we go on social media or visit someone else's home, we naturally compare and start to log in our minds that our homes are lacking in comparison. Don't get me wrong, it's always great to get inspired and make a dream checklist for our homes, but there is a line we can so easily cross when we look up from a beautiful interior shot on our phones and begin to hate our house and only see what's wrong with it. But let's really think about the season of life you are in. Maybe you are taking care of a newborn, chasing toddlers, saving up for your dream home, living the military life, taking on a fixer-upper, working hard on your career, waiting to start a family, or somewhere in between all of that. All of our lives are so different, so how can we logically compare what we have to someone else in this exact time? We can't, but that doesn't mean we don't do it. Can I challenge you to stop doing that? To look around your home and see the good in it. To stop comparing your home's season with someone else's. Can I challenge you to stay in your season of life and hunker down and enjoy the good in it? Use the tools, items, and knowledge you have in this season to make your home the coziest for you and your family. Don't go into debt trying to make your home like someone else's. Don't make your family uncomfortable trying to mimic how someone else's house functions when your family isn't the same, and don't let comparison ruin your view of your cozy home. Enjoy this season of life. Soon it will be gone, and whether the season is hard or easy street, it comes with important parts that teaches us things we will one day miss, so stay in your season and embrace it. I just think that is super important. So I hope this video was encouraging to you guys. I hope you enjoy these books if you have them already, or maybe if you don't, I will have them linked in the description box down below. But like I said, if you are going through a season like this book says, stay in the season and just enjoy it. But if you are also wanting to switch up some things in your home, I hope that list of categories that I suggested are beneficial to you. And remember, you do not have to do all the home renovating and all of the things all at one time, because that's just not realistic for so many of us, including myself. It has taken us so much time to get our house how we want it, and there's still so many projects we want to do. But if you are someone who are ready to start on those things and just ready to dive on in, I hope this video was inspiring to you, like I said, and also encouraging. That's all I want this space to be, is just encouraging and inspiring and just a fun place to be and just hang out and just have a really good community. So I really do appreciate you guys being here and watching my videos and just being so supportive. I am so close to hitting 5K and I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys so much. If you don't follow me over on Instagram, I'll leave my handle here. It is just at The Simplistic Home. I do share a lot of home decorating over there. I'm very big into thrifting over there as well, because I do work for a local thrift store where I go in once a week and share on social media my favorite pieces that they have. And I also have a little display section there that is inspired by The Simplistic Home, so that's super fun as well. But thank you guys so much for being here today. Like I said, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.